Alright, welcome to beautiful Vlore, everybody. This was the first capital of Albania, but now it looks more like Miami. So let's go cruise around. So on my right there is this wall, which is probably some old presidential palace, but they're still guarding it and they blocked the whole beach, so I have to go around like an idiot. And it's getting pretty hot, so I might dip myself in the sea even. Boy, it's hot. I guess swimming will become inevitable pretty soon. So I have heard that some beaches in Albania are actually strictly private, and sometimes you might get into problems getting somewhere or passing through. Somebody will just run towards you and kick your butt. But I don't know if this is the case. It's just there's nobody around here. And I like such places, so I'll try my luck and see if I can chill here and swim and not get kicked out.